Then click on activate your account. Click on it. Click on the confirmation, all the captchas. Then more information you have to fill. Write down your first and last name. It's simply form. I hope you all have done it once. What is the name of the business? So let's assume a small fictitious business. Run SEM, or let's make a new one. Continue. Connect with social media. Click on continue. It's optional. It's not important. If you want, you can skip this process. So let's skip it. Let's go. So this is the main page you will see from here. Okay. Now here are three important things: campaign, template, and list. List is simply the email list of the your subscriber जिन्हें आप email भेजेंगे. Template is the that image thing which you have to work on. For example, let's see in this. तो न्यूज़लेटर का जो फॉर्मेशन होता है, that is your template thing. जिसे हमें सही से बनाना है. So first you have to make a list. Click on it. So right now this is a very new account. There are no lists in it. So click on it. Create list. Type the name of the list. Default address. Email address. So let's make a email of this website. This is the Ostron Virtual Reality Company which sells these virtual reality glasses and headsets. So let's make a campaign of this. समर सेल में जो अभी अवेलेबल है उसके हिसाब से बनाते हैं. Okay. So from is the default name which they will see here. From this thing, this side of the email. Ostron VR. Simply the Ostron Virtual Reality. Then as you remember, I I told you have to use opt-in emails, permission based. So here you have to write from where have they got your from where have you got their email addresses of your customer email address. So you can write you can write anything from the actual source. Actually you have to write it. And I've just written it, for example, I've just written you have subscribed to our newsletters or you have opted in for our email newsletters. Then these details are filled automatically. Then number is this phone number is optional. Then this notification you have to write according you have to select all these or even one of them. These are simply the subscription boxes, notifications, summary of your subscribe and unsubscribe activities, and notifications. So you select daily summary or you can also select one of them. It's up to you. Then save it. So this is only the list. Okay, spelling was wrong. Nice. So this is the list, but there are no contacts right now. So again, you have created a name of the list, test sun is one. So let's add contact in it. So there you can add a subscriber and import contacts. If you click on the add subscriber, then you have to manually fill all these details. This is you have to fill all these details manually. For example, I've written j55 at the rate gmail.com. First name Sayed, last name Shilani, and this person has given me the permission and subscribe this person. So now it's showing one. This one is the name of number of subscriber in it. So manually it will take a lot of time. So you can import the contacts also. Click on import. Now it will ask you to use a CSV file or copy paste or use any integrate services. These are the forms which are connected to your website. So simply use copy and paste option and click on next at the bottom of your screen at the right hand side. So here is a small list which I prepared earlier. These are simply the name of my students and I'm also in it. तो यहाँ से हम ये यूज़ कर सकते हैं, इसे कॉपी कर सकते हैं. ऐसे ही चाहे जितनी आपकी लिस्ट हो पूरी 100,000 वो आप यहाँ से कॉपी कर सकते हो यहाँ पे और then simply come and paste it here. I understand that my link plan will automatically upgraded. Then click on next. Just copy paste the list of the emails and click on next. Now we have to explain it to MailChimp see what this column is all about. So make a selection. Here are the more options. This was simply the first name. Click on first name, save it. Now MailChimp knows it's the first name of the subscriber. And what is this? We have to tell it again that this is the email address. So come here and click on the email addresses and save it. Click on next. So it is asking you importing of two columns. So click on import. So here we can see now the number of subscribers are 6. So this is the name of the list in which there are 6 subscribers. These are the people whom we are going to send the emails. click on uh, this part is clear, guys? Can you hear my voices? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, Jyoti. Is this part clear? Okay, then we will click on templates. So right now we don't have any templates, so we have to create one. Create a template. Click on it. So here are many layouts which are already available. It's just like PowerPoint. The layouts are already available. You have to manage the content in it. So there are many parts. So then let's do, and we will find one later on. And another option is use a theme. You can choose any theme and then edit it. So let it load first. There are many options. So you can choose any one of them and edit it. Then third one is use HTML form. For this you have to know how to use HTML language actually. So let's not do it right now. So come to this part, and we will do both the things. We will first edit a theme, then we will make another layout from the scratch. We'll do both the things. So let's choose any one of them. So let's choose this one. Let's see. So let's choose this one. Okay. So all these parts are editable. When you click on them, you can edit them. So let's start with this thing. So again, we are going to make a email newsletter for this company. So let's click on it. When you click on it, right side this preview will open, and you can edit the written form or you can write your own thing. So whatever you write will come up and show it here. You can also use all these options. You can also use the image or make a link on it. anchor text. So let's do it. 10 save it. Then click on it and replace it. And we are going to replace it with any one of our images. You can add a link on it also if you want. Good. Then come to this part, click on it. Let's replace it and we'll use another image. Let's use this one. Let's also replace this one. There is also one small image. You can use this one also. This makes more sense. So first thing you have to make ready all your images before starting this. Now comes the content part. You have to ready the content also in advance. So let's replace it. This is just a template, right? So you can always use the text thing. Just copy it. Let's align it a bit more. And you can use anchor text here also. Click on, select the portion which you want to link, select the content part, click on the links and use the web address which we have already copied. यहाँ पे इसे पेस्ट कर दीजिए. Insert. Now this part is clickable. Same we can do on the image also. Add a link on it. Connect it with your best landing page. So let's see if you are using the shop thing. So we can use this address. These are all the products which are on sale. So we can guide the customer direct to our best landing page. And save and close. If someone clicks on it, they will land on this page. And if you click on plus, this whole box will duplicate itself. And if it is needed, you can use it again. If this happens with all the categories here, all the entities here. And if it is not needed, you can delete it. You can delete the content if it is not needed. Now click on it. Copyright, if it is going from Ostron, so we can write this thing, copyright at the rate 2017. Alright is there. Ostron Electronics nowadays result. Here you have to write down the mailing address if it is required. So let's use mine. Let's not send any email to them. And this you can remove if you want. That's it. Click and save and close. So here are the other options. अगर आपको यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट ऐड करना है या बॉक्स ऐड करना है, images ऐड करनी, social share ऐड करना है, तो just simply pick and drag them here. This part will come here. Now you can edit it. You can write anything which you want, or simply if you want to remove it, click on the delete part. So let's add more values here. Here is the button thing. If you want, you can select it, simply pick it and drop it here. You can drop it anywhere actually. So let's drop the box here. So here is the option buy now, and there you can edit it. You can write anything if you want. So let's connect it also to the best landing page. And as the sale was for only for headset, so let's connect it to the best landing page again, where people can go and buy the product. They can directly add it to the cart and buy. तो हमने इस पेज को यहाँ से connect करा है and save and close. Now this is also done. So here is the layout which I made, and this logo is not making any much sense here. So if you want, you can remove it. Idea is to show them something which is actionable. और बहुत बड़ा ईमेल आईडी ईमेल न्यूज़लेटर आपको बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. इतना बनाइए कि उनको फर्स्ट फोल्ड में दिखाई दे. फर्स्ट फोल्ड का मतलब है कि जो स्क्रीन आपको बिना स्क्रॉल करे अपने कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर पे दिख रही है या आपके मोबाइल फ़ोन पे दिख रही है, जहाँ पे यू डोंट हैव टू स्क्रॉल इट टू सी द होल थिंग. So make it more precise and more actionable. Then you can preview it. Enter preview mode. Now this is what people are going to see on their desktop. And also on their mobile. This is how it will appear on their mobile. So this is done. Click on the box to close it. Then you can save and exit. Write down the name of the template. Save it. Now this template is saved. Now the comes the we have already have the list of all our subscriber. We have made the templates. Now comes the campaign part. Campaign, you can say, is a small project. So campaign, first you have to create one. Right now we don't have any campaign. If you have a campaign, you will see all the list here. So let's create a new campaign. Campaign name, same name, testosterone. Then click on campaign type. Choose a regular one because we are not testing. We are not going to send a plain text. We are test using a regular campaign. Create it. So first thing, it is asking you to add the recipients, to add a subscriber. So as we have only one list, so it is already added. If you have more than one list or more than two lists, you will see the options here. So select one of them. So we selected the entire list here. As we have only one list here, click on next. Email subject. Now subject is the thing which you will see here, the bold thing, which they will see, subscribers will see before opening the email. So it should be very catchy. It should have a call to action. It should be something which is clickable because people will read it, and open rate will depend a lot on these subject lines. So always think it like advertising which people will see and they will click on it to open the email, like a headline of the advertisement. Summer sale on Ostron virtual reality headsets from Ostron. From now, click on two fields. Now this email will go as a first name, right? Like it will go like hi Jyoti, hi Vineet, so whatever the first name of your recipients are. Then click on next. Now we are on the this part where we have to select a template. So we already made a template. So let's click on save template. Select this one. It will again ask you to check your design. If there are any changes, you can make it. So let's go through once again. Okay, everything seems fine. Or let's do one thing more. Let's add a social button here. If this is added here, you can share, tweet, and forward. Or let's add another thing, not this thing. Let's not share it. Let's do social follow button. So you should have all these emails, links, which you can write here. पहले से ये सारी चीज़ें तैयार रखिएगा तो और भी आसान है. You can open the page and copy it from here. Open your Facebook or Twitter home page. वहाँ से copy कर सकते हैं आप. Then this link is simply your website URL, which you can use this one. Save and close. Click on next. When someone click on this link, your Twitter or Facebook page will open. You can again, it's giving you a chance to confirm all the details. If you want to edit, you can click and edit all these details. And if there are any errors, it will also ask you to resolve it. So right now we don't have any error, so click on send. So it's asking you to press the send button. Click on it, and here it is. We have sent the email and asking you to i5 it. Now we can come to our side and check it if it has been delivered or not. Hmm. So here it is, Ostron VR summer sale. Enjoy virtual reality with Ostron. All these links are working. If you click on it, you land here. Ostron VR headset. This is also working. Shop now. So all these buttons are working fine. So this is something like which you have to create. So now you have to use your own creativity. Here are many options. You can use any of their templates and make something which is more feasible to your customer audience. So one thing you always have to keep in mind, always design the email based on your customers. कॉल टू एक्शन रखिएगा उसमें अपने कस्टमर बेस के हिसाब से. बहुत ज़्यादा इमेजेस यूज़ नहीं करनी है, बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्स्ट भी नहीं लिखना है, और जो भी लिखना है हमें वो कोशिश ये करनी है कि फर्स्ट फोल्ड में ही ख़त्म हो जाए. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. सो प्रैक्टिस करिए इसकी, एंड असाइनमेंट मिला है आपको, उस असाइनमेंट को भी प्रैक्टिस करिए. ओके, सो थैंक यू एवरीवन.